Yeah, I suppose it all came out that way because of maybe Phil's history. Phil was actually born in Panama, and I heard in the music some retention of the kind of chordal structure and the melodic structures that is synonymous with um, the Latin music, put it that way. And Brazil, you kind of hear some of that kind of chord structure as well. But somehow it connected with Lovers Rock as well. Had that feel and tone and vibe of Lovers Rock. And all good connection there. I mean, it worked. That's the main thing. It worked. It was not flop. And from there on, though, Phil also wrote other songs, Baby My Love, Getting Cozy, all Lovers Rock styling songs. But I don't think that he went out to adopt a British style, but it was just a part of him. It came out that is a reflection of the person.